Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable feature eligibility on your YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then go into YouTube Studio. Once you're on there, just select Settings on the bottom left. Then you want to click on Channel. Once you're on here, you should see Feature Eligibility, so you want to click on that. And this will just let you know what features you already have. So you'll probably already have standard features, and it'll give you a description of what you have on there, so you can upload videos, create a playlist, add new videos to playlists as well. And it'll tell you what you'll be required to do in order to get these features. So this channel is free of active community guideline strikes, so that's all you need for these features. And if you want to enable intermediate features, just click on this little arrow, and again it'll tell you what features you'll be able to have. So custom thumbnails, live streaming, videos for longer than 15 minutes. And it'll just let you know the requirements. So you obviously need the first requirement, and you'll need to verify your phone number. So you can just click on that. Then obviously just add in your number. Then you can either receive a text or call with automated voice message. So obviously you can do that if you want to do that. So once you have the intermediate features, you can go down to advanced features and click on the arrow. And again it'll let you know what features you'll be able to have on here. So you'll be able to create more live streams, more shorts daily, test different thumbnails, and you'll also be eligible for monetization as well. And that'll just let you know the requirements on here. So you may need a video verification. So this just means simply look at your phone's camera and follow the prompts to get quick access to advanced features. You can also take a photo of your valid ID to gain quick access, or you can also follow your community guidelines to build channel history. For most creators, this will usually take up to 2 months, so that may be the longer option, but you could add a video verification or a valid ID to speed up the process if you want to do that. Then it should give you access to all of the features. Thanks for watching.